What is systemic thinking? When it comes to defining how you actually want to think, I struggled for quite some time with finding the right terms. Of course, there's rationality, and I think rationality is one of the best words to describe what you actually are striving for. To find solutions not biased by emotions, but just solutions that are just the facts. And systemic thinking now is something else, something different, and it describes principles whereby you predefine your choices by just selecting the choices that are optimal before. This means you sit down, for example, and you define what the best option for you eating for the rest of your life actually would be based on the current data you have. And then every time you encounter an option in the future that actually would let you choose what you eat, you now can default back to the decision you already made and choose the healthy food. And the nice thing is, over time, what actually happens is that these choices you made once actually become kind of ingrained into your brain and also into your behavioral patterns. Because as it turns out, there are two systems in our brain, system 1 and system 2. Of course, this is just an oversimplification of the rational mind and the subconscious. So system 1 is the faster one, it's the subconscious, and system 2 is the rational thinking one, the one that takes hard work to solve mathematical problems. So now, when you, over time, make these decisions again and again and again in the right way, what happens over time is that they become ingrained into your brain by basically enhancing or increasing or optimizing the neural pathways that actually allow you to make this decision. Therefore, systemic thinking, as I describe it, because I haven't heard it anywhere else, but I, for me, just found this term to also use it for my own discussions in my head, is now the method whereby you predefine things with concepts like nudging, for example, also plays into this, or also just behavioral psychology to then make you act better in the future, which is called choice architecture.